Welcome to our tutorial in AutoCAD. Today we will use this spline tool to draw an object in our AutoCAD. By the way, spline in AutoCAD is a type of a curve defined by set of a control point, and it is flexible and smooth curve that can be manipulated through. So here, make sure that our ortho mode will be turned off, or we just simply press F8 or the function A in our keyboard to turn off and turn on the ortho mode. Okay? To start with, in our keyboard we type SQL. Press enter or spacebar. And using our mouse, bring our cursor to our drawing area. And for example, I will start with here. Left click button of our mouse, then drag the object along XY axis. Left click button, then going down, left click button again, then move our cursor using our mouse, left click button, then again going a little down to our X axis, click, left click button, then bring again our mouse, left click button, then once again little going down, left click button, then press enter or spacebar. That was our created spline in AutoCAD. Another example, we will use the Y-axis to represent our spline. For example, I will start here. Again, type SPL in our keyboard, then press enter on spacebar. Then using our mouse, specify the first point. Left click button of our mouse, then again drag, going to left, left click button, then again little up, left click button, again left click button, then until here, left click button and press enter or spacebar. So that was our created spline in AutoCAD. Now we will go to the use of spline tool in AutoCAD. The spline tool can be used for rastering an image. Okay, for example, I have a signature here and I want to copy this one to use for my e-signature. So the spline tool can be rastering an image. For example, I want to raster an image using spline command. I will type SPL in my keyboard. Then for example, I will start from here. Okay, make sure that it is visible the color that you are going to use. Okay, just click. Left click button. Left click button. Left click button. Then straight until here. Okay, left click. Then until here. Again, left click button. Again. Then until here. Till there. I want to click here. Then here. Until here. Left click button. Again. Left click. Then straight until here. Then from here to here, then little going down, Okay. Then little up, left click button, left click, click, left click, then straight until here, then going down here, till here, and then going down until here. For example, it's here. Then I'm going to stop it here, press enter or space bar. Then I will continue for this part. I will continue on this part. Okay. Then here, left click button, left click, and until here, till here. Okay. Then here. Then I'm going to end it here on this part. Okay. Then press enter or space bar. Now next step will be detach the image. This one. Delete. Then this is the rastered image that I've been created using spline command in AutoCAD. Okay, that's all, and thank you so much for watching.